Have you ever looked at your food under a microscope? I hadn't until recently. What started as a curious experiment quickly turned into a complete paradigm shift in how I view everything I eat. It's safe to say my relationship with food has been forever altered. Initially, I was just playing around. I set up my microscope, grabbed some common foods, and prepared some slides. First up, a piece of bread. Under the lens, I was no longer looking at a simple slice of food. Instead, I saw a world teeming with air pockets, yeast cells, and gluten structures. It was a complex, fascinating landscape, a far cry from the bland, uniform appearance I was used to. Next, I examined an apple. What I saw wasn't just red skin and white flesh. Instead, the microscope revealed intricate cellular structures, the building blocks of the fruit. I could see the vascular system, tiny vessels transporting nutrients throughout the apple. I was captivated. It was like I was seeing the food's inner life, its essence. Then came the processed foods. I looked at a slice of processed cheese. The image was very different from the natural foods. The cheese appeared more homogeneous, with fewer distinct structures. I saw emulsifiers, stabilizers, and other additives that weren't visible to the naked eye. It was an eye-opener, a stark reminder of the transformation food undergoes before it reaches our plates. The experience completely changed my perspective. I started to appreciate the complexity and beauty of natural foods. I began to understand how processing affects the food, often reducing its natural complexity and nutritional value. I also became more aware of the ingredients in my food. I started reading labels more carefully, looking beyond the marketing and focusing on what was actually in the products. Looking at food under a microscope wasn't just a science experiment. It became a lesson in appreciation, awareness, and mindful eating. I've become more conscious of the origins of my food, the journey it takes, and the impact it has on my body. It has fostered a new level of respect for food. It has changed the way I see everything I eat.